What's up guys, welcome back to another video. And I saw this cool feature on TikTok that I am going to show y'all. If you already know about it, then cool, but if you haven't, happy to share. So let me show you guys. Alright, so for this I'm going to need my recorder. So when I go to my main screen, I'm going to go on camera, and from camera it's going to show you one of my cameras, whether it's my front camera or my back camera, right? So what I'm going to go on is this option called more. You're going to get these options, and the one that we're going to be focusing on today is dual record. When you click on it, it shows both your cameras. Like you're seeing me now, you're seeing my back camera, it's my hand, and you're seeing my front camera, right? This will be so cool for persons who want to show two different perspectives. Definitely for me when I'm doing my river trips. If you want your front camera to be the main screen, you just have to switch that button right there. You just have to do the switch and it switched out. But me, I just want to be in the corner. So another thing as well, if you want to save this as one, then this icon would allow you to save separate or save as one. This icon up here. So yeah, I'm gonna record something, save as one and save separate, and I'll show y'all. Alright, so this is going to be the recording for save as previewed, where I assume both of these cameras will be played as one. So let's see. La 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 la. So let's try the next one. And now we are trying the save as separate files. Same recording, same everything, showing both myself and everything. So let's see what the results are. So clearly it works. As I've showed you guys, clearly it works. So you would definitely see me use it whenever I want it from two different perspectives, like my river trips or my travel videos. But if I find any other cool features on TikTok or anywhere at all, I would definitely make a video about them. So see you on another video. Bye guys. Peace.